In this video, we code case number 3 and case number 4 on the page 1 of your textbook, ICD-10 preview exercises. Let's go right to case number 3, the cubitus ulcer of the right side of the lower back, stage 3. So as usual, the first thing we do is find our main term. In this case is ulcer. I'm going to type in ulcer and then open a bookmark. Click on the U and then click next, and the system quickly finds our main term. Now the subterm that we are trying to find is the cubitus. Scroll down and here's the subterm that we're looking for, which say to see ulcer pressure by site. Since we already under ulcer, we just need to scroll down to find the subterm pressure. So scroll down to find pressure under ulcer. So, and here we have pressure, and the site in our case is back, and here we have L89.1 and a dash. Every time you see a dash in the ICD-10 index, it means that the code is incomplete from the index. So you need to go back, you need to verify the code in the tabular to get additional information, and this will be about the laterality of the case. So it's the right hand side, it's the left hand side, and in our case we're trying to specify the right side of the lower back. So we're gonna copy our code, which is L89.1. We're now gonna copy the dash, and we're gonna verify this code in our tabular. So you open your tabular file and you paste your code from the index and you click next. The system quickly finds the main subcategory of pressure ulcer of back, and so we will try now to find the code that pertains to our case, which is the right side of the back. So we're gonna keep moving down, try to find the subcategory that pertains to us. So far we have not found one. Okay, alright, here it is. We have L89.13 pressure ulcer of the right lower back. Now the next thing we need to find is stage. So if you look under codes, under this main subcategory, we have L89.131, which is stage 1, and this is one here, stage 2, and we are looking for stage 3, L89.133. Unlike ICD-9, which uses two codes to represent the ulcer and its stage, ICD-10 has one code that represents both. So in this case, the right code for this case number 3 is L89.133. So you obviously will have to double check all the instruction notes from this category L89. But in this case, I checked the notes before this video, and there were no notes that pertain to our case. So the final code for this case number 3 is L89.133. Now let's move to case number 4, which is essential hypertension. So we go back to our index, try to find our main term, which is hypertension. So we type in hypertension in the search box and click on the H in our bookmark and click on next button, and the system quickly finds our main term, and it says essential. Essential happens to be a non-essential modifier here, which means we don't need to look for the essential in the subterms. So in this case, our code that we have from the index is I10, but as you know, we can't just go from the index. We need to verify this in a tabular. So you open your tabular file, you paste I10 in a search box and click next, and the system will quickly try to find our code, which is right here. We have I10. As you can see, this is only a 3-digit code. It's a category code. It's also the final code since there are no further subdivision of subcategory. So all the notes we need for this case are here. So excludes 1 and 2, and based on our case number 4, none of these notes pertain to our case. So our final code for case number 4 should be I10. I really hope you enjoyed these videos, and I hope you're now able to start coding using ICD-10. Please go through all the exercises in your book, and you have answers in the back, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.